I'm ready, got my bag, had breakfast. I only have to get something for lunch, so I'm just gonna get some bread from the supermarket, and then we're going to the tour. So excited! Oh my god! I really want to know. I'm really curious how it's gonna be. So let's find out. Whew, it's gonna be a warm day today. I'm almost there. I think it's like 30 degrees or something at the moment. But yeah, that's nice.
And this is on a G-rated show that's not allowed to traumatise kids. Does everybody understand? So every time somebody gets shot on Neighbours, they're only ever shot with one bullet, am I right? So one bullet, one wound. Because apparently kids in Australia are okay with getting shot once. Is everybody okay with that? And that's how Neighbours works. Is there anyone here who's never seen Neighbours? Who's here as a chaperone? Come on. Anybody here guarding their lover because they're so hot? Are you all ready for the chosen one? This is it, folks. There's no turning back. Now you do realise that when you enter here, guys, like here, your heart will be a little bit broken, but it's okay. Because the camera lies and makes things look bigger. Does everybody understand this? You've all seen a Tom Cruise movie before, yes? I rest my case. Alright, here we go. So, take a deep breath just in case you hyperventilate. And one more for good luck. And... Where's the rest of it? It's not that big.
Okay, I just want to tell you something more about Neighbours, because I think it's a little bit hard to realize what you're seeing if you don't understand what the series is about. So Neighbours is about neighbours, you wouldn't say, and they're living in a street, and that is just something happening like between them, and you know, yeah, just like a series. And that street is called Ramsay Street, and that's where I went. So the first thing you see is Ramsay Street, and that's where all the neighbors live, so they have their own house and stuff, and you can see their houses. But normally, like, that street is just a street where normal people live. Just normal people like you and me, and they just have to go like in their house while they're filming, so they can stay in their house. They just can't walk outside because of course then they're in the footage, but it's just normal people's houses, and they just film in front of it, so the inside of the houses isn't used. It's just the outside of the houses and the street that is being used for the series. Pretty cool, huh? To a studio, and like with the word studio I always think it's like inside a studio, but this is just a big outside studio with all the places that you can see in Neighbours. So for example, you see like a place where cars are being fixed, some shops, a cafe, and all those things are like fake as well. For example, the shops and the cafe, it's just the outside, and all the inside parts are filmed everywhere else. So you can just, yeah, it's pretty cool to just walk through and like, oh my gosh, they have scenes over there and they have scenes over there. It's just right in front of each other, like right next to each other, and you're being fooled so much. But it's pretty cool to see if you know, if you've seen the series and you know all the places where you go. Like, if you see it and you've never seen the series, then you're probably like, okay, a house, and another house, and another house. Cool, but I have no idea what's so special about these houses. But for me, it was very special. the studio, so just where everything is in the same place. And now we're gonna meet someone, an old actress from the serie. Cool. But first, frozen Coke from McDonald's. So that's that. That was cool. It's just, you know, I really like behind the scenes things, and because I really like to be in the media world myself, like as a job. So it's always nice to see behind the scene things, and it's just, it keeps impressing me that everything you need for just a whole series is in almost one single place. And it's just so cool. You just don't realize it at all when you watch a series that the outside of the house is not actually where they film if they're filming inside the house. And it's so weird to realize, but it's so cool. And yeah, well, like, I didn't know the actor that we just saw, but it was really cool because just to hear her stories and stuff. For example, she told us when she had her first child, like in real life, when that child was 12 weeks old, she already went back to her work. So the child was just like on the set and everyone was just taking care of her child, and then she was taking more scenes, which is so, I just can't realize it. So the plan for now is I'm only gonna sleep for 2 more nights at the hostel, and then I'm gonna start my surf camp, which is really cool, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to edit videos during my surf camp. So from now on, I'm gonna edit, then I'm gonna go to the library and upload everything so that I have everything ready for next week, and then I can just enjoy my surfing and I don't have to edit during those days. So I hope that will work. It's gonna take a lot of time, but it should be cool. Let's go. I think for the next 4 hours I will be editing. Let's see how much I can do. 4 hours. I'm eating my butt. Lunch. Dry bread. It's actually okay, this one. It's dry, but it's eatable. Okay, I take that back. I can't eat it anymore. Oh, I really need to find a solution for lunch or something, because this is still going. I'm dying in it because it's so warm. I'm gonna do it. Can't. I have to do it over here tomorrow. It's so warm, and I have both these things. And the Wi-Fi is amazingly bad. And this file of 588k takes 15 minutes. See? Like, hello, Wi-Fi, are you there somewhere? I'm hungry. What shall we eat tonight? I got a potato. I got bacon. I got yogurt. Maybe spaghetti, pasta with bacon and sauce. I don't know. I think it's a good idea. Still not moved. Come on. You can do it. Alright. Let's make ourselves ready to go to the supermarket, get some pasta sauce, and have dinner, because I'm hungry. And then we're gonna go back to editing. Yay! Alright, it's almost 12 o'clock, so it's not that late. I didn't do any editing after dinner because I met some Dutch boys, 3 of them, and it was just a nice night, and we played some cards and we went to the bar just for one drink because we could get a free drink, so why not get a free drink, right? So that was nice, and it's so hot. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see how many degrees it is. It doesn't cool down today. Oh my gosh. It is waiting. It's 28 degrees. It's still 28 degrees. That's gonna be a long night. Alright, I want to end this vlog right now because I'm going to sleep. So I want to thank you for watching to this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you at the next vlog. Cheers guys!